Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Testing Daily, and the Testing Daily is basically the place where you get the latest testing feed. So let's begin. In today's world, if we want to update ourselves, we need to follow the different blogs, different YouTube channels, different source of information available on the internet. Either it's official or unofficial. And sometimes it's really hectic because we need to follow different URLs, we need to go to the different blogs, we need to search for particular information, and this is very it takes a lot of effort. And what if I tell you that you get all the information at a single place, right? So it would be very helpful to get ourselves updated with what is happening around the testing world. So for that, what we need to do is that go to the browser here and go to the selectorshub website and click on this one, and here you will find a Testing Daily. Click on this one, and here what is Testing Daily, because it's basically Testing Daily is a tester's homepage where you get all the latest information in terms of the blog, tutorials, news, trends, YouTube videos. So there are a lot of things coming up which will you find on the Testing Daily. So how to use that? This is really simple, and it's available on different platforms here. In terms of the browser extensions, you will find on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, then you have a Brave, Chromium, and on it is also available on the mobile apps. So you will also install this on Android, on iPhone as well. And if you don't want to install the particular extension and you want to use based on this URL, so this is the direct URL to access this one. So let's open this one and see what happens here and how it looks like. So if I go to this website, so here you will see that you will get all the latest data coming up here, right? So in terms of the YouTube channel, so here you see that where this information is coming from. So either it's a YouTube channel, it's a tutor information. So there are a lot of things you will find here. So here if we talk about this layout, so you can search the different feed here. For example, if you want to search for something in terms of Selenium, so you can search for the Selenium, so you will find different URLs. And in terms of the blogs and the YouTube videos, similarly, if you want to search for any particular YouTube channel, for example, if you want to search my channel here, so you will get all the videos from my channel here, right? So that's how you can actually go and have a particular information on your web page. And you see that here it says that we can add it to our browser, we can install it on our Android, and similarly we can install it on our iPad and iPhone. But before that, let's explore this one more. So here you will see that we have different options. So if you click on the popular, so all the popular information will be populated here, and you will see what is popular information which are upvoted, which have comments. And you can also in order to vote any particular information, you can do this by logging into here, and then you can upvote this one, right? So right now I'm not logged in, so I cannot vote this one. And similarly, in order to write a comment, I can simply go here and put my comments on this particular article here. For this, I don't need to have to log in into this one. And if I want to bookmark this one, so that tomorrow I want to go to this particular article and I want to look at this particular video or article, I simply go ahead and click on this add to bookmark. But again, for this one, we need to log in, right? And if we want to see what are the best topics right now on which the community is discussing right now, just click on the best discussions, and here you will see that where people are discussing about on the different articles and different videos right now. So there's already video on this one, so let me click on this one from here, and you see that here people are talking about this one. Thank you for getting this tutorial, thank you. And we can also go for the different discussion around this one. And if you go here into the bookmarks, again it will show your bookmarks here which you have bookmarked for the later viewing. Let me close this one here. And if you want to customize this one, this is a very good option. And here you see that the data is coming from the different sources. It's coming from the Medium, it's coming from YouTube, Reddit, Lambda Test, Twitter, Blogspot, WordPress, Selenium, Cypress. So there are different mediums from where this data is coming here. So this is the data. This is a place where we get all the data from different sources at a single place. So in order to know about the testing activities across different platforms, this is a single place where I will go here and see what is happening around the testing world. I don't need to go to the Medium. I don't need to go to specifically go to these different platforms here. So you can customize according to your requirements. If you need any information in terms of the YouTube, so you can toggle this one. But again, you need to log in here and you can set your preferences. What else you can do this, you can change a layout here, and also if you want to see some tutorials, so here tutorials, if you want to give some suggestions, you can write the people, you can add reviews, you can contact them, you can donate them. So these are the different URLs you will find here. So if you want to report some bugs, want to give some suggestions, so here you can do that. And then here their Twitter page, so you can go and write about this one. And then we have this particular extension where we can provide our feedback and we can install this extension. Then you can contact the founder Sanjay Kumar on this one from the selectorshub page. And the last and the good thing is that obviously this tool is free for the community, and we appreciate the efforts by the Sanjay Kumar. So that, and as QA community, we should support him and we should donate from here. So now let's add this to my Chrome extension. So let's see how it works. So let me close this one from here and just go to add to my Chrome, add extension, and it will add to my extension. So here you will find the extensions, so keep it. So what I'll do is that let's go to my extensions here, and what I'll do is that this is my daily extensions available here. And if you want this extension to be populated here, so just pin this one and here. So by default, whenever you open a browser, what happens is that it will land on this page. And even if you open a new tab, it will open this Testing Daily, and it is just like a daily newspaper in the morning. You need to know about what is happening around the testing world. So this is really helpful because it gathers all the information across the different mediums and place it into a single place here. And again, you will find the similar options here. So you there one more option here is that pause the new tab. So what happens is that if you want to work on something and you don't want to click on a new tab and you don't want this thing to appear on your browser, so simply what you click on this one, pause new tab, and pause this for maybe for 5 minutes, 2 hours, and just click on done. So what happens is that it will pause and it will not appear here, right? So this is how it actually works. And the good thing is that it's available on the mobile application. So let me show you where it is available. So let me go back here, and in terms of Testing Daily page, so you see that we have this install on Android and iPhone. So this is the Androids. So this is the page on the Google Play Store from where you can install this on the mobile app. Again, you will find all the options here, and similarly this is also available on iOS, so iPad and iPhone. So both are available here, so you can install from this particular app store link. Now let me show you how you can install that on Android. Right now I have Android phone with me, so I have mirrored my phone here. So this is my phone here. So what I need to do is that let me go to the Play Store from here, and here we need to find Testing Daily, and this is the top one. So click on this one, and here just click on install. So it will install this application on Android phone, and then we will see how it will look like on the phone size. So it will take some time to install because yes, it's installing on my phone right now. So it's my actual device connected, it's not simulator. So let me show you here. So once it will install, just click on open on this one, and here, yes, if we need a notification, click on allow, and here again you will see that you will get all the information here, right? And similarly on the left side you will get all those options here. So popular, right? Popular one, and again most voted, right? And my feed, and my feed, you will see this all information available here. And again, if I click on this one, so we can watch this video from here, we can upload this one, we can share, right? We can send comments on this one. So we can do this as well from this mobile application. So even if you want to know about this particular, so open this one and you can read the article from here. So there's an article on the Twitter. So this all about Testing Daily, because there's nothing special left behind, because it contains all the things which we need in terms of keeping ourselves updated on the daily basis, because all information is consolidated here for us, and this is really cool for us. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like our content, then do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Once again, thank you so much, and see you in the next tutorial.